Hi guys! Today we are learning how to make money on Snapchat. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. When Snapchat opens, make sure your account looks active and engaging, because creators usually grow faster this way. Now tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Here you can customize your profile and make it look more attractive for viewers. Honestly, a clean and engaging profile helps people trust your content more. After that, go back and tap on the Spotlight option at the bottom middle of the screen. This is the main section where short viral videos are uploaded on Snapchat. Luckily, this is also one of the biggest ways creators get views and earn money. Now, record a short and engaging video around 10 to 15 seconds long. Try making content that is entertaining, useful, or trending, because those videos usually perform better. So keep your clips simple, fast, and attention-grabbing. Once your video is recorded, you can add text, effects, or music to make it more engaging. Small edits honestly make a huge difference because viewers enjoy polished content more. This also increases your chances of getting better reach on Spotlight. One important thing to remember is that Snapchat monetization is not available in every country, but in most regions, creators can join monetization programs and start earning from viral Spotlight videos. That's why growing your audience and staying active is very important. Now spend some time watching trending Spotlight videos. This helps you understand what type of content people enjoy the most on Snapchat. And honestly, learning from trending creators can really improve your own content ideas. And that's how you can start making money on Snapchat using Spotlight videos and creator features. The more consistent and engaging your content becomes, the better your chances of growing and earning online. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.